just a good old boy.
I got Zach Cagle here. He's going to go over the tractor with you.
Yeah. So this is the 5700 Global Series. We've had this tractor out since 2016, 2017, and the 12x12. So same tractor. We just put a Dyna 4 transmission in it. Same cab, same AGCO Power 4-cylinder engine. But we took the Dyna 4 that we previously had in the S Series, and some of you may be familiar with in previous 5700, 5600 S Series tractors. A couple of things that come along with the Dyna 4. So we have cab suspension. So if you want to walk around here, we can take a look at that. So right in here, you've got the cab suspension. It's just a mechanical system. 2 shocks on each corner of the cab, and then rubber bushings on the front 2 corners. Really nice ride on the tractor. Been out running it a little bit this year. It's a great riding tractor. 3 valves come standard on it, so if you're running, batwing bush hog or whatever that may be, you've got your both wings and raise and lower for your batwing or whatever else you may need for 3 valves.
One thing I've got on y'all's tractors I really like is the heavy lift cylinder.
Yeah. So heavy external lift cylinders, real heavy down here on the drawbar and everything. Just a heavy built tractor.
Really beefed this up too.
Yeah. So let's see. So on the 5700, we've got 26 gallons per minute of flow to our rear remotes. We achieve that with 2 high pressure pumps. We got a combining valve up in the tractor there. We can combine those 2 pumps to get to 26 gallons per minute. Really helps with your loader too. You can idle your tractor down, not run as high RPMs, and get that loader responsiveness that you're looking for. So you want to take a look up in the cab?
Yeah.
So you're probably, for the Dyna 4 folks out there, you're familiar with the T-handle here. This is how we shift gears, and then this button is our range change. We can downshift, upshift, and again, this is a 16-speed transmission, 4 ranges, 4 gears in each range. So just shift all the way through that seamlessly. We can also shift gears over here by just bumping up or bumping down with this. So that's we can clutch, we can go forward, we can go reverse, and we can change gears in reverse as well. So that's a nice feature. Over here we've got brake to neutral. So what that means is once the tractor's going, we just hit that button. Let's say we're pulling a round baler and we get ready to stop. We just reach down, hit our brakes, and dump our bale after it ties.
I really like that for round baling.
Yep. Once we're done, close our gate, let off, and we'll start back off in the gear we were in. Or while we're stopped, we could shift down a gear or 2, let off, start off, and then bump back up. So nice feature on that. Here's that combining valve I was talking about to couple our 2 pumps. 540, 540E, and 1000 PTO speeds. Easy switch in the cab. For those of you that aren't familiar with the 540E, if you're pulling like a hay tedder or something where you don't need the horsepower to the PTO, we can bump into 540E, drop our engine RPMs, and still get to 540 on the PTO. So that's a nice feature to save fuel, not so noisy in the cab when you don't need that horsepower. So.
Now, does this tractor have rear suspension on a 3-point?
Yes, it does, right there. So that's our soft ride system on our 3-point. Also, almost forgot to mention, on the transmission, we've got auto shift feature. So in the middle, we have an auto power. So if we were just off, we would shift gears right here.
Yeah.
But we could change to power and use our foot pedal, right? So if we rev up in power, we would shift gears all the way through the ranges at 2100 RPMs.
Yeah.
If we shift into eco, we'll shift at 1600 RPMs. So nice feature on the Global Series.
Really nice for a Global Series.
Yeah.
I like it. This kind of reminds me of a cross between my 5400 and the S that's out now.
Yeah, I would agree, Chase. I mean, it's got all of the must-haves that a Global Series has, but not all of the let's call them super nice features on a S Series that maybe a mid-range operation 100 to 300 acres may not necessarily need all of that stuff. So and it really runs the price up. So this is a mid-spec with a premium transmission in it. That's the nice thing about this tractor.
Now, price-wise, does this thing kind of fit between an S and a global, regular global?
Yeah. You're gonna come in, you're gonna come in not too much higher than a regular 5700 12x12 transmission. So. Very competitive on price. I'd encourage you to get out to your dealers. These will start shipping in December. We do have a pre-sale going on these, so get out, see them, talk with your dealers, and there is a pre-sale discount going on them between now and the end of the year.
Well, thank you, Zach.
Hey, no problem.
We appreciate y'all showing it to us.
I appreciate you.